Hey guys, how to customize Grammarly AI suggestions for your style. First of all, set your writing goals, right? And open the document on Grammarly, right? This is my demo document, right? And basically choose, customize preferences. Choose options for your text, font, right? By clicking the font right here. Set the preferences and make sure that you set the tone by clicking the keyboard at the bottom right here. I'm gonna dismiss. I'm gonna be back to my keyboard right here. The only way that I can pull that off if I did it right in my browser, right? You can see right here if I click text, you will see that there is a font. You can continue. You can customize your document to your style. If you want to adjust the tone, you need to go to your browser, right? And then click right here the empty space, and you're gonna see the magic pencil right here, the green pencil at the bottom, right? And you're gonna be able to hit continue, right? And you're gonna be able to adjust that tone for casual, neutral, or formal. And you're gonna see more options, right? Make it inspirational, make it empathetic, make it friendly, make it exciting, and etc. Same for neutral or formal. Okay, so this is how you can customize your preferences for your text style, right? Next, add words to your dictionary, right? When Grammarly flags a custom word or term, and you don't want Grammarly to flag this word, what you're gonna do, go back to the dashboard, click account at the bottom right, click manage personal dictionary, click the plus one at the top right, and type in the word that you don't want Grammarly to flag, okay, for preventing future corrections, right? You can use this feature for names, jargon, or phrases specific to your field. Next, what you're gonna do, enable personalization. Link Grammarly to your account. Okay, I linked my account on Grammarly to my Apple, right? So Grammarly uses your previous edits to learn and adapt to your writing style over time because it's AI. So they basically work to meet you halfway, okay? And basically explore options. Click the account and see your options and see the Grammarly apps from here, right? To explore more options for your text, for your document, and how you can improve the way you write. And you're gonna see right here, get writing tips and insights, right? You could turn on the notification if you want to get the insights. And you're gonna see, of course, right here the keyboard settings, and as you can see, I have allowed or gave access to Grammarly. Okay, so ignore suggestions, dismiss recommendations that don't align with your preferences to fine tune future suggestions. You can go ahead to your text, for example, right? And you didn't like that they wanted to edit that word, you could just hit dismiss, 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 and dismiss, and they will train to meet you halfway. By consistently using Grammarly and refining its settings, you can ensure that the AI aligns more closely with your unique voice. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.